Imagine it's a crisp Saturday morning, finally ready to explore your dream house. You open the listing and your eyes widen. Big windows, modern kitchen, perfect yard. But then you see the price, $500,000. It's my dream. I have to do it. Is it freedom or a $100,000 wealth trap? Most focus only on the mortgage, taxes, utilities, HOA, hidden costs. These costs compound silently. Pause. Is it stealing your freedom? Chasing status or a kitchen island? First trap, mental accounting. Categorizing money by its source. Paycheck feels like sacred labor, but that bonus? You might blow it. Apply this trick to your home. Spending more feels earned, stolen from your future. Consider the house money effect. Found money feels lighter. I can afford it. The sunk cost fallacy. Repairs and bills pile up. I can't back out now. Tied to a financial burden. Over $100,000 in lost wealth for the dream comfort. Opportunity cost comparison. Compound returns over 30 years. Each dollar not growing elsewhere. Equity versus multiplying money. A silent wealth killer. Sarah's example. Listed at $500,000. Mortgage, $2,500 monthly. Tax, HOA, utilities, repairs, $3,550 monthly total. $213,000 over 5 years. Rent versus invest comparison, $100,000 plus in opportunity cost. Humans crave status and pride. Social proof feels like success. Emotional justification, pride, envy. Psychological trap compounds. Paying for the narrative. Maintenance surprise, roof, AC. Unexpected costs hit cash flow. Regret and cutbacks elsewhere. Cumulative hidden costs. Dream home versus reality. Solution, step 1, total cost. Taxes, HOA, maintenance, inflation, real monthly burden. Step 2, delay and fund. Resilience against surprises. Step 3, total cost thinking. Banks sell monthly affordability. Every dollar matters. Step 4, visualize opportunity cost. Imagine lost compound growth. Make the cost real. Step 5, identity shift. Evaluate purchases for freedom. Impact on flexibility. Prevent emotional spending. Play it smart. Anticipate hidden costs. Treat dollars as seeds. Think in decades. Commit to a plan first. Compare rent versus buy. Your future self will thank you. Avoid the $100,000 wealth trap. Think smart. Build wealth. Protect your freedom. Future self enjoying freedom. Every choice affects tomorrow. Keep control over money. Avoid silent drains on freedom. Dream homes as investments, seeds that grow for decades. Factor in maintenance and taxes, wealth builder identity, empowerment through foresight. Calculate total versus opportunity, deliberate planning, stepping stone, not a trap. 3 pillars of success, clarity and strategy. Checklist, plan and forecast. Rent versus buy numbers, calculated choices. Preserving your future wealth. Think smart, plan strategically.